Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Clash of Clans lag problem. For that, the first thing that you must do is ensure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. This can be either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. The other thing that you must ensure is that you have enough storage on your device. For that, simply close all of the apps on your device and then restart Clash of Clans. You can also head over to the settings on your device to check your device storage. Head over to storage inside settings and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space or your phone will run slow. The other thing that you can also do is head over to apps, tap on Clash of Clans, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Clash of Clans and try again. Sometimes a delayed update may also be causing the problem. For that, head over to Play Store, head over to search for Clash of Clans in the search bar and then hit update right next to Clash of Clans if you have not already. If that does not help you out, then simply head over to your app drawer, long press on Clash of Clans, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. Sometimes your device may be too old to handle Clash of Clans. In that case, you might have to upgrade to a new device itself. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.